Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. Our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. Okay, on Monday there's no trade rooms. Tuesday we'll start in the room at 6 in the morning for Triple M, 3M's earnings with GM. And then we'll be back at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report, a family money trade. Wednesday, 6:30 for Coke earnings. Back in the room at 7 for Boeing's earnings. Bank of Canada's rate statement at 9:30 with existing home sales and the crude oil inventory report. No trade room for the 20-year bond auction and the beige book. And by the way, that crude oil inventory report will be a YouTube stream. And then Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. we'll be back in the room for Tesla and IBM earnings. Thursday we're going to get up early. We're on East Coast time. We're going to trade the French flash manufacturing and the German flash manufacturing reports. We'll be in the trade room at 3 a.m. for those events. 4:30, no trade room for the British flash manufacturing. 8:30 unemployment claims, no trade room, but back at 9:15 on Thursday for 3 events. Flash manufacturing US, which is a YouTube stream, new home sales, and the natural gas storage report. 8:30 p.m. there's the Japanese, the Tokyo core CPI year-over-year report. No trade room, but keep an eye on that Japanese yen, the ES, and the NKD. Friday, the German IFO report at 4 a.m. No trade room, but if you're a DAX trader or an FESX trader, you might have a good move on that event. We'll be back in the room at 8 a.m. on Friday for core durable goods and Canada retail sales, and we'll finish out the week with the revised University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report at 9:30. Keep an eye on your email. There's always a great offer to be a 10-Minute Trades member. And if you saw our recent webinar on earnings are getting started, starting to gear up. So take a look at your email for a great time to be a 10-Minute Trades member. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades, and I'll see you in the trade room.